Hello my friends, welcome back. My name is Mimosa and today I'm going to walk you through a super loose, fun and easy way to paint white flowers. So grab your brushes and let's get into it. Here are the colors I'm using today. Whoops! Just spotted some tiny splatters on the paper while I was mixing. Honestly, I kind of love those happy accidents. So let's just roll with it, okay? I'm starting with the bold purple for the leaves. To make it more interesting, I'm also going to use dark green and indigo. I wanted to create a moody, soft vibe. So I'm going to use a big round brush here to wet the painted leaves. I think it helps everything blur out and look more natural. While the paper is still wet, I'm going to continue adding more leafy strokes using purple and various shades of green. The wet surface helps the colors blend softly into each other, creating a more natural and fluid look for the foliage. I will vary the pressure and angle of the brush to give the leaves a more organic shape and movement. I'm going to do the same on the other side to balance the composition. I honestly love this process. It feels intuitive and there's no pressure to be perfect. Now it's time to paint the stems and extra leaves. I'm filling in those little gaps between the flowers. Even though the flowers are white, we still need to give them some depth and form. Otherwise, they'll just disappear into the page. So I'm using a really soft mixture of ultramarine, black, and a touch of green to gently suggest the shadows and shape. I'm painting the pistil of the flower with a deep yellow to really draw the eye to the center. I will also add a soft hint of orange near the bottom to give it some depth and warmth. This little touch adds a nice glow and helps the center feel more dynamic and alive. Now let's paint the vase. I'm pre-wetting it first, then adding a mixture of ultramarine black and cerulean blue, leaving the right edge unpainted. That's where the light hits, so we want to keep it nice and bright. I'm finishing the painting with a sharper, more energetic shadow to bring a bold contrast and give the floral composition a vibrant boost. And there we go, all done. I really had so much fun with this piece. Come on, let's check out the final result. All framed and ready to shine. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. And as always, keep painting, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.